Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm playing a game I have not played on my channel before, Subway Surfers. So here we go, try to get as much coins as I can. Let's go for 3 likes this episode. Let's do it. Get to the A, yes, got it. Jump on top of the train. I just like to do that stuff. And I forget where we are. It'll be in the title though. I think it's Spain. Somewhere in Spain. Don't get knocked out. Jump or dunk. Yeah, dash. Don't get hit by a train. Good. This is a good run. When it gets faster, it means you have a better run. And episode 2 is in mysterious Mexico. Yeah, because I'm putting audio into this. So, mysterious Mexico is the second one. Alright, come on, do something. Get the A. Did I get it? I don't think I got it. No, I didn't. Come on, jump. I feel like the Subway Surfers places they make always look really cool. This isn't like my favorite part, but like, it's fine. Like, I kind of like these parts. I definitely like Mysterious Mexico more though. You guys haven't seen that yet though. Let's play this game. Because this is going to be a good Mysterious Mexico game out. Fresh is 0. 4 more to unlock fresh. Come on, do something. Oh yeah, this is Tasha I'm using. Catcher. Jump, jump, move in the center, over, duck, center, jetpack. Deke the train. I like this part a lot too. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite part though. We're getting into the part though that I don't like that as much. I like Mysterious Mexico more than this place. 3 more to unlock fresh. so happy. Maybe we'll get him in Mysterious Mexico. I know already, but you guys don't. Alright, I knew a dream was gonna come down that lane. Boom. 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 I think this is gonna be the last run we do though in this episode. Because how many did we do? 4? Yeah, we did 4. I like to do that so I don't have to jump so much. You know, like keep hopping onto different trains. Here's the place I like a lot. I feel like we just go in a circle and then we get back to the beginning. Yeah. Got all the coins up there. And stole some install some jumping boots. Are they bats? I don't even think they're bats in Mysterious Mexico. Mysterious Mexico isn't that scary though. There it is. Oh, this isn't our last run. Let's do one more. Oh. Oh, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.